Hi, my name is Zena Deborah Bing and my number metric is BB191106993. Today I will present about the introduction. The word of fire insurance refers to a type of property insurance that protect against the fire related due to the damage and losses. Most policies include some of fire protection, however, homeowners may be able to take on additional coverage in the event that your home is destroyed or damaged by the fire. Purchasing supplementary fire coverage helps to cover expenses of replacing, repairing, or reconstructing property that exceeds the policy maximums. Homeowners insurance protects policyholders from loss and damage to their houses and personal belongings, often known as an insurance property. Therefore, this is a broad phrase that encompasses both the interior and outside of a home, as well as any asset stored on the premises. Next, the homeowner's insurance is there to help people when the unexpected happens. Most homeowners insurance policies include fire damage coverage from helping to repair their home to covering their additional expenses if they have to relocate for a while. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Florenita Purba with matrix number BB1911109N69, and now I am going to present about the type of insurance. Type of insurance divided by two: fire insurance and homeowner insurance. The type of fire insurance is comprehensive policy, blanket policy, consequential loss policy, valuable fire insurance policy, specific fire insurance policy, floating fire insurance policy, average policy, adjustable fire insurance policy, reinstatement policy, declaration policy, and excess policy. And the second insurance is about the homeowner insurance. There are 8 types of homeowner insurance. That is homeowner 1, basic form, homeowner 2, broad form, homeowner 3, special form, homeowner 4, tenants form, homeowner 5, comprehensive form, homeowner 6, condo form, homeowner 7, is mobile home form, and homeowner 8 is older home form. That's all from me. Thank you.
Protections provided by fire and home owner insurance have a two section in protection provide section 1 about property insurance protection. The section 1 about property insurance protection have coverage A until coverage D. Coverage A will links based on home risk payment cost of a result of damage to the insurance home. Coverage B other structure based on 10% of coverage A limit for damage to insured non-attached structure, bracket graded sheet, and others. Coverage C personal property based on 50% of coverage A limit for damage to contents of home including coverage on property away from home. Coverage D loss of use based on 20% of coverage A limit for extra expenses for renting quarters of the damage from an insured will prevent the insured from living in the home. Section 2 about liability coverage have a two coverage that is a personal liability based on minimum of 100,000 liability of body lie injured to another injured or damage to the person's property and coverage medical payment to other based on a minimum of 100,000 medical expenses incurred by the others on the insured premises or resulting from actions of other insured away from the premises.
Hello everyone, my name is Melvita Nalbat and my matrix number is BB19110751. So today I will be discussing about the advantages and disadvantages of fire and homeowner insurance. First of all, the advantages of This insurance is the owner will get compensation after the accident. This is because the insurance company will provide financial coverage to help the owner to restructure the property. In addition, this insurance will get to create fire-related awareness among the property owner. This is because the property owner will make sure the property are more secure from fire. Next, the disadvantages of this insurance is the fee. Owner must pay an extra amount for the higher high risk and must take all the precautions safety. Otherwise, the insurance company will not give the financial coverage after that accident. That's all from me. Thank you.
Today I want to talk about how to make a claim for fire and homeowner's insurance. The first step is you need to read your coverage. To avoid a situation like insurance company outrage limit a claim, you need to understand your coverage. The second step is gather all the information you need. Depending on your insurance company requirement, you will need to provide a certain information in order for your claim to be approved, like a date of fire damage, type of claim, details of the damage, and police report. And the third step is ask about immediation, temporary assistance. If your home occurs in so much if fire damage, so you can live in it, your insurance company may provide a temporary house in the meantime. Similarly, if you are unable to save of any basic essential, so ask for advance. The fourth is keep track of everything. You need to keep a document relating to the incident. You also can take pictures or video to document or everything that was damaged or lost. Fifth is get a second opinion on the extent of the damage. You can hire a licensed contractor to accurately assess the extent of the damage, so they will able to determine the integrity of the structure and provide an honest estimate the total loss and repair. Six is continue paying your insurance premium. Once you fill your fire insurance claim, don't make a mistake or ignoring your insurance premium. And the last is all of on closing your claim. This is because the longer your claim is open, the more likely is that you will find the more damage and the more money that insurance company will be provided.
Hello, my name is Maxia and I will present the example of fire and homeowner insurance. There are two broad categories of homeowners insurance, which is non-perils and all risk. Non-perils is the insured home or property that is caused by anything other than one of the listed risks. Because the coverage is so limited, most homeowners prefer more comprehensive coverage. There are two types of non-perils, which is HO1 and HO2. HO1 is the basic form of homeowners insurance. It is used for vacant buildings or if you lapse on your insurance coverage. For example, fire and smoke damage, lightning, windstorm and hail damage, explosion, and vehicle damage. HO2 is slightly more common type of insurance, which covers several additional on non-perils. For example, glare or breaks in, accidental water damage, and damage caused by the power surges. All risk is the opposite of non-perils, which cover all damage unless it is specifically listed as an exception. For example, earthquakes, floods, power outages, neglect, war, nuclear